Hello everyone, Storm101 here. Today we'll be having an update on the severe weather event that'll be going across the deep south into the southeast, even for some portions of the mid-Atlantic region. Now we're going to talk about my forecast. I have something different about the severe weather ingredients. I'm going to be putting it in a different format here, so that way the videos will be shorter, and we'll also take a look into the SPC outlook and also the future radar from one of the models. So let's go ahead and get started with my severe weather outlook. This is not the SPC, this is mine. Uh, you can see I do have an enhanced risk issued anywhere from Jacksonville, Florida, just along the East Coast up into North Carolina, along with slight risk surrounding that enhanced risk area, anywhere from Virginia Beach down to Columbus, Georgia, then down south to Orlando, and with a marginal risk for most of Virginia, even for a small portion of Maryland and Florida as well, Georgia and Alabama, North Carolina. What do we what could we expect from day 3? Day 3, keep in mind this is Thursday. We're looking for a little bit of a damage you wind event. You can see there's a 30% chance in that enhanced risk area. Then there's a tornado threat along with it. I do not see a chance of large hail in this event, but there could be some hail, but it's not going to be large hail or anything like that. And there, and that's pretty much my forecast there. Now, let's take a look into the SPC perspective. Let's go and start off with today. That is not today. Here's today. You can see there's a marginal risk for severe weather anywhere from Porches to Texas, or eastern Texas, I should say, through northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas to northern Mississippi, and then central Tennessee. The main threat, there's a small tornado threat, there's a little wind damage possible, and there's no hail threat with it. It's just a very small threat, not really a big deal. Day 2, things start to change. We have a marginal to slight risk anywhere from Nashville all the way down to the Gulf Coast. And that slight risk includes portions of Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and the panhandle of Florida. What can we expect from this? Well, the SPC is showing a tornado threat, wind damage threat, and for some hail as well, at least for the west side of the severe weather threat area. And we can see some damaging winds or some hail and tornadoes for tomorrow. Can we see an enhanced risk? That is possible. Probably the best chance for enhanced risk would probably be for portions of pretty much central and southern portions of the Slickers area. What you see here. Day 3, which is Thursday, we got a very large slight risk area from Virginia Beach all the way down to Tallahassee and down south into Tampa, with a marginal risk surrounding the slight risk area. And what can we expect? Damaging winds, tornado threat. I do not see a hail threat in there, but there could be some small hail like P to maybe dime-sized hail will probably be there as well. That day 3 is in my opinion, would be the most concerning day, especially for the damaging winds. Let's take a look into the severe weather ingredients. Now, I'm doing something a little bit different. This is called the severe weather ingredients checklist. And I'm giving you the basics of what you would need for severe weather on this list here. So there is 7 things. You got the low level jet, which is 500 millibars with the wind speed. It is favorable, and that could produce chances for some damaging winds and probably tornadoes as well. So what CAPE is basically energy, and we're going to see some CAPE values like that. More than likely, probably around 500 to 1,000 joules per kilogram. Most of the CAPE should stay south of it, and this is going to help thunderstorms build. Same thing for that low level jet. Thunderstorm that's going to help with thunderstorms try to build up into the atmosphere. Wind shear helicity, that kind of involves with damaging winds and tornadoes. It's going to be favorable as well. Lap rates, that could be favorable. That set the stage for what type of ingredients I should be saying, what lap rates can do. That's basically hail and damaging winds. There's not going to be much of any lap rates in this event. However, the vorticity at 500 millibars is going to be favorable. We're going to see 60 plus dew points, and the lift index is there, but it's a little bit low. But I can still say it will be favorable, about -2 to -4 degrees Celsius there for the lifted index. And let's take a look into the future radar here for the NAM. So let's go take a look what we got going on right now. So basically, we got a couple thunderstorms popping up around Arkansas there, and that's going to start popping up a little bit more back into Texas, Louisiana, and Tennessee. And here's your cold front, or stationary front, I should say, developing. There's going to be a winter storm on the back side of all this here, at least in the winter side of all things. That's a nice swath of snow, but there could be an ice fret. We can see some ice. You can see the NAM is actually showing a pretty nasty ice fret for northern Kentucky into Ohio, and even Indiana as well. But I don't think we're going to see too much ice from it, but it's possible. Then thunderstorm activity starts to get going by Thursday. Well, I should say Wednesday night into Thursday. You can see a cluster of thunderstorms down in southern Alabama, some scattered thunderstorms. Your cold front is still back here. We have a 996 millibar over the Kentucky-Tennessee state line, bringing in some rounds of showers of thunderstorms up there. And that low starts to deepen a little bit, but then kind of calms down a little bit as it reaches to the northeast there. It's not going to gain too much strength as it reaches to the northeast, so it's not going to be very windy or anything like that. So right now we're heading to Thursday afternoon. We got that cold front catching up with the warm sector of all things here, where most of the severe weather ingredients are at. We got a decent squall on there, but it kind of falls apart in the morning, but then it comes back up due to daytime heating. That's a nasty cluster of thunderstorms down to Georgia, and that's going to continue to build up here. And there's also going to be a brand new low pressure developing over North Carolina, over the Appalachian Mountains. That could produce some snow across Tennessee and pretty much the Ohio Valley. That'd be something to keep an eye on. And I cannot wait for that to happen because I've been wanting snow for a long time now. But as you can see here on the severe weather side of things, that's a pretty nasty line for the Carolinas. Even stretches as far south as Florida as well. And as far north as Virginia and kind of around Delaware and Maryland too. But overall, just gotta stay weather aware for tomorrow and Thursday here. Those are the 2 days to really keep an eye on. There will be damaging winds and probably a few tornadoes as well. Am I gonna be live streaming this? It kind of depends if we get multiple tornado warnings with these storms here, and that's possible. It is, but overall, I don't know if I could be live streaming, but again, like I said, it just depends of how Mother Nature kind of wants to deal with things. But I also got a little announcement, and I've recently reached 200 subscribers to this channel here. I'd like to say thank you guys so much for it. I do appreciate the support for the channel, and to celebrate uh, for reaching 200 subscribers, I've reached to it last night. I'll be doing a gaming video Storm Chasers, and I will be doing a free roaming, and perhaps it could be in multiplayer. Multiplayer. It's not gonna be a live stream because it's just gonna lag like crazy. But just stay tuned for that. I'm thinking about uploading that today, or tonight, or tomorrow. Just depends how I just feel like it. Making a video. But anyways, guys, that's all for guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this severe weather update and a little announcement. If you all did like this video, hit that like button. If you really do like my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notifications so you never miss an upload. If you all guys got questions about this, you put it in the comment section down below. I'll answer you guys' questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.